What's up, guys? I'm gonna give you guys some awesome information to save your neck and your back. So several years ago, I would wake up and I would just always have a kinked neck, especially after a heavy like overhead pressing or any type of shoulders day. And I had to do a bunch of research and figure out what the heck was going on. So here's what I came up with, and you guys can follow this. And ever since what I've done, my neck pain, even if I have any neck pain, when I go to bed, it doesn't end up worse when I wake up. Also, there's a technique in here for back pain. So I'm gonna give you guys a 2-for-1. So basically, most people use big fluffy pillows that they get at the store, and this is how they come. And this is bad because what this is gonna do, is this is gonna kink your neck up. Like when you lay down on it and you're laying here, your neck's gonna be all kinked up like this, right? So if you're laying like this all night, or if you have no pillow and you're laying like this all night, you can see where the muscles on one side or the other are gonna start to have issues. So we need to ditch this pillow and we need to go to the store and you need to find, I'm gonna show you here, I'm gonna pull it out. You're gonna make one of these guys. You're gonna find these little tiny, like I mean, this is a cover, but I mean, we're talking super thin, super thin, like the most cheapest pillow you can possibly find. And then you take this little guy. I mean, this thing's probably only like 3 inches thick, if that. You take it, boom, put it in here like so. Then you take a towel, you wrap it up, but you need to measure this, okay? This is just duct tape. So what I did is you want it to fit perfectly, like right here in that crevice, that little area right here in between your ear and your neck. You want it to fit perfectly right there. You don't want it to be too big or too small, okay? And then you just duct tape it up. This is just an old towel that I used. And you take that and you slide that down right into the bottom, okay? So now what you have is perfect cervical support right here. Then you can take this arm right here and you can just put it right like this, or you can scoot back and you can put it out straight if your arm falls asleep when you sleep. But you're here, and here's the great part, okay? So if you're here and you're not already perfectly aligned with your spine, okay, then you can take that's left up here and you can kind of tuck it up underneath and you can adjust your head until your head and your cervical spine is aligned with the rest of your spine, okay? So that's the neck portion. You guys are gonna thank me for this. This is the lower back portion. Get a body pillow and sleep with a body pillow, right? Because this is gonna help support your shoulders so your shoulders don't collapse in as much, but it's also gonna help support your hips, okay? So your hips aren't tipped over like this, they're up like this, and you're in this perfectly aligned position from your cervical spine all the way down to your lumbar spine. That's it, guys. Comment below, let me know.